Jimmy's Jukebox Mobile DJ. Hi, and welcome back to my channel. My name is DJ Jimmy Hill. If you've never seen me before, great to see you. Please, you could join us. On today's video, I've been spending again on eBay. What have I been doing? Well, another light controller. I saw it, it was cheap. Like this one. Just here, I'll put a little picture up. I couldn't resist that bargain. It said that it didn't come with a power cable, that's why it's been sold cheaply. Also as well, I put I keep bargaining on telling eBay, I must stop really, but I can't help myself. Some more wireless microphones, but they were going cheap as well, so I thought I'd buy them for when I'm doing kids karaoke, because you know, it's always handy to have spare microphones that are cheap, just for that sort of thing, or for drunk people. I'm going to try them out tonight and hopefully get the light controller working and try them out too. I know we use sound switch quite a bit, but just for a small bar sometimes this could be what I've been looking for. So welcome back once again into my supreme workshop. Let's see what I bought off eBay, shall we? Well, I took it out the outer package, so I don't have to reveal my address, so you don't want to know where I live, and I don't want you to know where I live. Here we go then. So what have I bought? Let's have a look, shall we? So, some nice bubble wrap. Oh, it's small. One of the reasons why I picked this thing, due to how small it is. It's a ADJ LED Touch, and that is how small it is, about the size of my hand just about. And I thought, and I saw this, I thought this is going to be quite handy. I'll be able to use this for something, not quite sure what, but I thought, well, it's quite cheap. I think I ended up paying, like, I'm not sure, have a look on screen how much it was. I'm not quite sure how much it was, but that depends if I can get it working. It was sold as spares and repairs. It didn't come with any power cable. So what do I need? Let's have a look. We need 9 to 12 volts with a minimum of 300 mega amps. Okay, it's got a DMX output and a 5-pin output. Don't know where that music's coming from. I've got some drawers down there, but I can't get to at the moment. They've got loads of bits and bobs in that I saved. I've got an old bag there that I keep all my stuff in that I never use, old cables and that. You never know when you might need something. Then I have got these drawers here that have got cables in. Just got to try and remember which one's got power cables. And let's have a look. I think it's this one. Oh yes, don't put it in this, my secret drawer. What's this one? Now this one is, so that is 12 volts 1 amp. That's plenty. We'll try that one. We got another one. We've got one here. What's this one? It's got a member. It's 12 volts 2 amp, that one. Someone's playing music outside, so I do apologise for that. Trying to keep talking as we go along. And there's another one here. And this one is a 9 volts 2 amps, so that one would work as well. So there you go, a little advice. Keep any old plugs. You never know when you might need them. Yes, I know there's a load of ramble in my drawer, but you need rambles in your drawer. Okay, so let's see if we can get things working, shall we? Working it out, it doesn't matter about the amps as long as it's greater than 300 mega amps. So we see if this plug will plug into there for a start. That's the main thing. Yes, it does. It certainly does. It seems a nice snug fit. So the moment of truth, I have now got that plugged into there, and let's see what happens, shall we? I'll plug that in. Will I get any power or will it blow up? That wasn't good, was it? Oh dear. Or was that because it wasn't down far enough? Not because it wasn't down far enough. So the moment of truth, switch on. Nothing. Think I've broken it. Oh shit. Ooh. Do you think you've broken it? Oh, I hope not after all. Okay, so the first one didn't work. And now I've got this one a bit smaller, and we press the on switch. Fingers crossed. Yes, it's come to life. There we go. So I've got to work out how this works. There's no instructions with it or anything. Let's see what I can work out. Just give me a minute. Okay, after a bit of research on Google, let's have a look. I've set the lights up, some par cans. Let's see how we get on. Okay, so I've set some Slim Par Hex 6s, 3 of them in a line, and this has got automatic chases built in. I've already worked that out and it's working brilliantly. So chase number 5, chase number 6, chase number 7, chase number 4, 3, doing its own chase, all built in. I can speed it up, fade time, speed it up so it can go faster or slower. And it even shows you on the indicator what colours the light's going to be. I can have up to 6 fixtures, which is cool. I can have it on auto mode or music mode, so they should work to music. So that's 3. There's 3 more different lights on there. See what happens, shall we? Oh, and of course I can change the colour, so I can choose by moving this wheel, I think, to what colour I want. Oh, you've got to select the light, so select 1, 2, 3 and turn this wheel until you've got the selected light colour you want. Now I don't know why that's not working. Maybe it was 5. Oh, that was light number 5. I don't know. Okay, so you select the lights that you want. You spin it round until you want the colour you want. That is cool. So if I want them all green, keep going till they're all blue. Nice one. Keep going on this circle. I'm spinning this touch circle right here, and they are going to be any colour you want. Bring them back down to red, pink. Nice bit of pink. So that's good. Down to blue, and then it should be going to green. They didn't stay for green very long. That green's darker than the other greens, would you say? Yes, I would say that, but that's just me. Or maybe you... We don't need that one, do we? Or that one. So that is cool. Now that one's not. So you can leave that middle light on by pressing it and it won't change the middle one at all. It'll keep it as it is. How cool is that? Oh, this should make my life easier. Let's see what other lights I connect to it. We'll make it the same. So back to chase. It's doing its own thing. We're on chase number 1. Chase number 1. Now that is cool, isn't it? So a nice chase going. I can also do, I'm sure there was a fade button here, so just press fade. There we go. And choose the lights that I want. So 1, 2 and 5. And once again, you're bringing them up. Now that's totally green. They are nice, aren't they? What's happened to that one? Oh, it should be the same colour. That's going a dark green, and that one's not. So it does a fade, which what I'm thinking about is instead of using a sound switch for my totems, I use this little machine to let the totems have a light shining up them. I don't know why that's not quite going to the same colour. Oh, it is now. Okay. So it's just a little bit of a dicky connection maybe. That's better. Now they're both going on a nice little fade away. That one's not going all green, is it? Or all blue? Nice, it's going well. It's going well. Okay, so that's fade. Whoa, look at that. That's nice, isn't it? So you can speed up the fade. You can slow it down. Got it. Think that's going to be simple, isn't it? Let's add some more lights on, see what happens. So that's it. All I've got to do now is get it all working. See what it's like tonight. So see you at the gig, guys. Just a little 80th birthday party tonight, so that's why I thought I'd have to do an easy night with just some little lights shining nice and gently with this new machine that we're going to try, the LED Touch from ADJ. It works. We'll see. Once again, up out the Saturday night. Let's try that new light controller, shall we? As easy as one power cable. See how we get on. It's an 80th birthday party, I think. I'm not really sure. Not given a lot of information. It's my local bar that I usually do. He's took the booking and also took the money, so at least we know we've been paid. Are we ready then? Come with me, let's go. Okay, so I thought I'd show you how lucky I am to have this regular booking at a bar and how far away it is from my house. Have you got your gigs nearby? As I just turn off my street, I'm going to try that new ADJ LED Touch tonight. 80th birthday party, so I'm not expecting a lot of rave dancing, and sound switch can be a bit wild sometimes. If you wonder what that netting is, it's a cricket pitch and it stops the ball hitting the houses windows, so they're just lifting it up to tidy all the edge up, ready for cricket season. So we're coming up to the junction now. We're nearly there already, and I'm not expecting a lot of dancing tonight and not a lot of footage of dancing. I just want to see if this lighting system works. So I'm nearly there already, believe it or not. This is how lucky I am. It's about 2 minutes away from my house, and I bet one thing's for sure: Meat Castles, the famous burgers, Meat Castles, will be in the car park right where I want to be, and in my way, and I'll have to park far away till I get near the loading as I can. It usually parks in my spot. You can see the pub in front of me now, the Clumber Inn. That's where I get my regular bookings. You've probably seen me be here before. There's a marquee behind it. We do a few weddings here as well. There's the marquee, and there's Meat Castles right in the way, right where I usually park, down the side. He's not even left me enough room in the front, but I'll let him off because he does make exceedingly good burgers. Right, that's me parking up, and I'll see you when I get set up inside. So here we are, there's the ADJ Touch DMX controller, and tonight I have got my small Mackie FX mixer. There's my new wireless microphones, my Denon Prime 2, of course, can't be without that, and I'm running the RCF J8s once again in this lovely small room. As you can see, I'm getting loads of light from that. On the front, that's what it looks like, and I must admit, it does look pretty good. The lights are still on, and in the dark it was very good indeed. And that's just on fade at the moment, and I'm liking that a lot. So there we go, the RCF J8. Don't put any food or drinks on here. Great sticker, excellent. The ADJ LED DMX controller, that works great. That was an 80th birthday party, and there was some even older than that there this week, so that was just a nice uplighting effect. Put it onto sound to music when I needed to for a bit of dance, but there wasn't a lot of dancing tonight, but it's certainly going to work well the way I laid it out. I'm going to have one under each totem pole and 2 in the middle of my booth when I'm doing weddings, and also just an easy uplighting effect in that little bar. So that's it, that's the video. Hope you enjoyed it. See you on my next one. Please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you later. Bye bye for now.